Inside the rear doors of the Solis are the two halves of the rear annex rod. They're clipped in place, secured at the top, and can be connected in the middle. Insert one rod into the other, and the rods turn so you can line up the holes. And use the pin in the holes to connect them. In this configuration, the rod can be used for hanging towels, wetsuits, or other things you may want to dry outside of the coach. They also do a decent job of restraining the doors from moving in the wind. The Solis's rear annex curtain secures to the annex crossbar with Velcro loops. Continue to connect all of the Velcro loops, and you'll have a loose portion of the curtain. Solis comes with 8 magnets that are used to secure the curtain to the door and the van body to complete privacy at the sides of the vehicle. The annex curtain can also be used as a divider between the cab space and the rest of the van. You would do that in situations where it's particularly hot or sunny out for some extra insulation, or also in colder conditions. You have Velcro spots on the upper shelf to secure the curtain in place, and then use those same magnets to secure the tail end of the curtain to the cab door.